Most programmers are blind to Kotlin's real power, and chances are you've already written it off without realizing what you're ignoring. If you think Kotlin is just that niche tool for Android developers, buckle up, because that outdated view is about to get shattered. Sure, Kotlin emerged as a pragmatic, cleaner substitute for Java in the Android world. But where it stands today, it's evolved into a modern type-safe cross-platform powerhouse, capable of handling your server infrastructure, web interfaces, and mobile applications simultaneously, usually with significantly less friction and fewer defects. So what makes this worth your attention? Kotlin delivers real-world practicality. It's streamlined, without resorting to needless complexity. Fewer lines of code translate directly into fewer hiding spots for bugs. The language bakes null safety right into its type system, eliminating an entire category of runtime failures that used to destroy production deployments. That feature alone justifies exploration. Fewer lines mean fewer places for catastrophe to hide. Here's the kicker. Kotlin plays perfectly with existing Java ecosystems. No need to torch your legacy systems. Running on the JVM, Kotlin calls Java libraries seamlessly and allows gradual, incremental adoption across teams. Imagine upgrading from a bulky toolbox to a precision multi-tool without throwing away what already works. Beyond surface-level syntax improvements, Kotlin delivers production-grade features that matter when stakes are high. Coroutines revolutionize asynchronous programming. Instead of callback nightmares or brittle threading models, you get lightweight concurrency that resembles straightforward synchronous logic. That translates to cleaner, safer async operations across servers and applications. Type inference, data classes, extension functions. These aren't novelties. They accelerate codebase comprehension and iteration velocity. The compiler catches errors early instead of letting them detonate at runtime. Result: fewer nasty surprises and smoother delivery cycles. But here's where things get genuinely interesting. Kotlin's versatility extends far beyond mobile. Kotlin multi-platform enables sharing core business logic between Android and iOS, while JetBrains Compose multi-platform handles UI composition. CTA provides a lightweight, Kotlin-native framework for building backends with speed and elegance. Kotlin native compiles to native binaries. Kotlin runs on the JVM, targets JavaScript environments via Kotlin, JS, and compiles for native platforms. That's genuine full-stack capability, without mastering 5 separate languages. Organizations like Netflix and Pinterest have quietly integrated Kotlin into server-side architectures because it delivers safety and developer velocity without compromising performance. JetBrains, Kotlin's creator, continues pouring resources into ecosystem growth tools, documentation, enterprise support. This isn't a side project. It's production-grade infrastructure backed by serious investment. Now, Kotlin isn't flawless, and adoption challenges exist. The ecosystem lacks the mean density of JavaScript, and some beloved libraries may lack Kotlin-optimized ergonomics. Teams managing enormous Java code bases sometimes stick with familiar territory. Every new language demands learning, investment, but these are calculated trade-offs, not fatal flaws. The interoperability advantage means incremental introduction. Begin with isolated modules, or deploy Kotlin for greenfield services, where benefits compound faster asynchronous I/O, data transformation pipelines, cross-platform shared logic. Early adopters gain reduced noise and elevated productivity. In engineering terms, that's significant competitive advantage. Early adoption means less noise and more output. If curiosity is pulling you, resist the urge to rewrite everything immediately. Build a small service using CTA. Experiment with Kotlin multi-platform for shared logic. Or migrate a Java utility class and observe the cleanliness improvement. Leverage IntelliJ or Android Studio. Kotlin's tooling ecosystem is robust, and refactoring support is battle-tested. Study Kotlin's official documentation and explore community libraries like Kotlin's, Coroutines, and C. If you found this valuable, smash that like button and support Winds of Thought as we explore more developer tools reshaping the industry. What language are you sleeping on? Drop your thoughts below.